Hello. Today we are going to be learning some more S blends. The S blends we are focused on today are SN, SN, SP, SP, ST, ST, and SW, SW. We are going to practice tons of words with these consonant blends so that we feel fully comfortable with how they sound. Now before we dive deeper into the new S blends, let's do a quick review. Do you remember what a consonant is? That's right. Consonants are the letter sounds made by partially blocking the airflow from your mouth. Some examples of consonants are S, S, D, D, B, B, and G, G. When you say those letter sounds, pay attention to how your mouth or throat closes, blocking the air. Now, can you tell me what a consonant blend is? Good job! A consonant blend is when two consonants are next to each other and make two sounds. Examples of consonant blends are what we are learning today. SN, SN, SP, SP, ST, ST, and SW, SW. Now let's go over the S blends we already learned before we move on to these new ones. We have SC, SK, SK, which sounds just like SC, SK, SL, SL, and SM, SM. Let's take a look at these words. Our first word is scab. Let's sound this out together. Sk, b, scab. Good job. Our next word is skin. Let's do this one together too. Sk, skin. Nice work. Two more to go. Slip. Sl, p, slip. Great job. One more. Let's try smell. Sm, o, smell. Good job. Now that we have reviewed, let's dive into our new S blends. The first blend is SN, SN. Let's say this together again. SN. Great job. Now let's take a look at some words with the S blend. Our first word is snow. Can we say snow together, sounding it out? Sn. Oh. Excellent. Now let's do our next word. Snake. Let's sound it out again. Sn. A. K. Snake. Nice work. Let's try this third word together. Snot. Sn. A. T. Snot. Nice work. How about snoop? Sn. Oo. P. Snoop. And one more word. Let's try snack together. Sn. A. K. Nice work. Now let's go on to our next S blend, SP. This sounds like sp. Can we say this together? Sp. Good job. Let's try some words with the sp blend. Our first word is spot. Let's sound this out together. Sp. A. T. Spot. Nice job. How about space? Sp. Ace. Space. Good job. Let's try spa together. This one's pretty easy. Sp. A. Spa. Nice work. How about spin? Sp. I. N. Spin. Good job. One more word. Let's try spell. Sp. E. O. Spell. Great job with the SP blends. Now let's go on to our ST blends. ST sounds like st. Can you say that with me? St. Nice work. Let's try our first word together. Stop. Sound it out with me. St. A. P. Stop. stop. How about stay? Sound it out with me again. St-a, stay. Now what about stir? St-er, stir. Good job. Now let's try star. St-ar, star. Nice work. One more word. Let's try stone. St-own, stone. Nice job. We have one more S blend that we're working on today, and that is the SW blend. SW sounds like sw. Can you say that with me? Sw, sw. Good job. Let's practice our 5 words. Our first one is swim. Sound it out with me. Sw, swim. Good job. Now let's try sweep. Sw-e-p, sweep. Nice work. Now how about swan? Sw-a-n, swan. Good job. Now let's try swat. Sw-a-t, swat. Nice work. One more word. Let's try swell together. Sound it out with me. Sw-e-l, swell. Great job going over our S blends that we're working on today. Now it's time for some practice. We're going to match the correct S blend to the rest of the word in this picture. And I'm going to exit out so that we can do it together. Our word ends in AIL, and we have 3 S blend options over here. We have sp, sn, and st. Let's drag sp over first and see if that makes a word that matches our picture up here. Let's sound this out together. Ready? Sp, ale, sp, ale, spale. Now is that a spale? I don't even know what a spale is, so I don't think so. Let's try our next one. How about SN? Sn. Let's sound it out together. Ready? Sn, ale, snail. Well, this looks like a picture of a snail, doesn't it? I think that's right. Good job. Let's go on to our next one. We have our word ending in oon, oon. And we have 3 S blend options over here. We have st, sn, and sp. Let's see which one works. Let's drag our ST over first. This makes st sound. Let's sound it out together. Ready? St-oon, stoon. Well, I don't think it's stoon. I'm pretty sure that's not a word. How about SN? Let's try this one. Sound it out with me. Ready? Sn-oon, snoon. Well, I don't think that's a word either. Let's try our last one. Our SP. Sound it out with me. Ready? Spoon, spoon. Well, is this a picture of a spoon? I think you're right. Good job. Let's go on to our next one. Our word ends in ick, ick. And we have 3 S blend options over here. We have sw, st, and sn. Let's see which one matches the picture. Let's try our SW first. This says swick, swick. Well, that's not a word now, is it? How about we try this middle one, the ST. Sound it out with me. Ready? Stick, stick. Well, is that a picture of a stick? Good job. Let's do one more together. Our ending word is arm, arm. Let's see. Which one of these 3 options do we think it is? Sw, sn, or sp? sp. Let's try our W. Now let's sound this out together. Ready? Sw, arm, swarm, swarm. Well, is this a picture of bees swarming? I think it is. Good job. Now I'm going to go back into our slides. Now we're going to read a book, and you're going to go ahead and read with me. And pay attention to our words with our S blends in them. Ready? What Spot loves. Spot loves snow. He stays in the yard to play. Spot loves water. He swims all day long. Spot loves sports. He jumps in the air. Spot loves food. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He smells from far away. Oh my, I see that the SN blend sniff is said 3 times in a row here. I'm going to say it 3 times to practice with my S blends. You want to say them with me? Ready? Sn, if, sn, if, sn, if, sniff, sniff, sniff. Great job! I think I'm going to keep getting better at these S blends. What do you think? Let's finish the story now. Spot is a good boy. The end. Great job reading along. Now, can you remember the S blends that we saw? How about our SN blends? What do you remember from the story? You're right. There was snow, sn, oh. Any others? That's right, our sniff, sn, if, sniff. Good job. How about our SP blends? What do you remember? You're right, spot was said in every page. Sp, at, spot. Any others? Sports too. Good job. Sp, or, ts, sports. Nice work. Now what about our ST blends? I think there was one in there. Did you catch it? Good job. Stays. Let's say it together. Stays. Stays. And lastly, our SW blends. What do you remember in the book with SW blends? Good job. It was swims. Say it with me. Swims. Swims. Great job with your S blends. Now it's time to practice on your own. Remember, we are focusing on SN, SP, ST, and SW. Let's do this first one together so that you know what to do. I see a picture of someone with a tissue to their nose, and it looks like they're blowing or something. Let's look at our 3 options. We have smell, smell. We have sneeze, sneeze. And we have sleep, sleep. Now, which one of these is one of our S blends that we have been talking about? Remember, we have sn, sp, st, and sw. That's right, it's sneeze with the sn. Now, does sneeze look like it goes with this picture? I think you're right. I think he's sneezing. Let's see if we're right. We did it! Good job! Now go ahead and do the rest of these in presentation mode. Click the S blend that we've been working on that matches with the picture. Have fun!